Ever spent hours editing a video only to realize you still have to add subtitles? Or maybe you've tried doing it manually and felt like pulling your hair out? Well, what if I told you there's a much easier way to add subtitles automatically, saving you time, energy, and a ton of frustration? Stick around, because today I'm going to show you how to add automatic subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro in under 5 minutes. And by the end of this video, you'll wonder why you ever did it the old way. Act 1. The problem we all face. Let's face it, adding subtitles is one of the most tedious parts of editing, right? It feels like the never-ending task that you can't escape. But there's a quicker way, especially if you're already working in Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro has a hidden gem: automatic transcription and subtitles. With just a few clicks, Premiere will generate a transcript of your video's dialogue, sync it with your footage, and even add captions automatically. Let me show you how. Step 1. Open your project and import your footage. Got it? Great. Step 2. Go to the text panel. If you don't see it, just go to Window in the top menu and select Text. Click on the Transcribe Sequence button. Now, here's where the magic happens. Premiere starts working in the background, analyzing your audio, and within just a few minutes, you've got a fully transcribed text file that matches your speech. Once you're happy with the transcript, click on the Create Captions button. Premiere will turn that text into actual editable captions. Review the transcript. It's 90% accurate, but keep in mind, it's not perfect. You'll want to check for any errors or misheard words. Premiere isn't perfect at distinguishing between words like there and there. But hey, 90% accuracy out of the gate. I'll take it. From here, you can adjust the style, size, and position, or even export them as separate subtitle files. So there you have it. Adding automatic subtitles in Premiere Pro is super simple, and it'll save you hours of work. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome content like this, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. If you have any questions or want more tips on Premiere Pro, drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.